What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about some more Ethereum Max news and predictions on what I think is going to happen in the future. It's going to be crazy, guys. You guys blew up the last video and you guys seem to enjoy it, so we're making another one today. So if you're new to the channel, you're not subscribed, what are you doing? You must not love money. Subscribe if you love money, and also you'll be entered to win a $1,500 giveaway. If you do that, you like the video, and you follow my Instagram, you get 2 entries if you join my Discord down below, which basically is if you have any problems finding tokens and you're always like, dang, I can never seem to catch the tokens before they blow up. I basically do all the work for you, find all the tokens, tell you guys when to get in, tell you guys when to leave. We've been doubling our money like this. Literally, we've just been going play to play to play, doubling our money, and it's been awesome. So join now. It's discounted only for literally, I think, 1 more week before I make it monthly, which right now it's just a one-time small payment. Yeah, go check that out, and let's get into this video. So like I said, Ethereum Max has been going nuts. Like, guys, we've been getting paid off Ethereum Max. Like, it's been going crazy, and it's in anticipation for this fight, right? Obviously, the Floyd and Logan Paul fight has been promoted by Ethereum Max, and you can actually buy the tickets with, which I think I'm gonna go. I think I'm actually gonna go there and film a crypto video in the stadium. It'd be kind of funny. Like, I don't sit at a desk and jerk myself off over a chart. So like, Ethereum Max, when I posted my last video, said Ethereum Max about to 1000x, and we literally have been going stupid since then. Sending me messages on how much money you're making, and I'm glad I can make you guys some money. Like, an awesome feeling. So what do I think is gonna happen? I think Ethereum Max is gonna still keep going. Right now we're still going up, and I think up to the fight, we might see a little sell-off after the fight happens, just because I think all this hype is coming from there, and then Paul Pierce tweeted about it on Twitter, and everybody's just riding this train. I think we might see a little sell-off after the fight, and then I definitely think we're just gonna keep picking back up and keep going towards the moon. I think that's what's gonna happen, because Ethereum Classic did it, Ethereum Max will do it, and I think this is just gonna be an awesome ride. So yes, I'm still very bullish on Ethereum Max, even though we have already done so much. I think this is just the beginning. So if you're in, hold, let's see what happens, and I'm really excited. So it's a quick video. I just saw you guys loved the last one, so I wanted to make another one just talking to you guys. Expect a little sell-off at the fight, and then after, I think we're just gonna moon. So subscribe to the channel if you're new and you love money. Like I said, you're entered to win a $1,500 giveaway. As well, follow my Instagram. You guys have been going nuts on there too. And yeah, check out my Discord down below. Like I said, if you have any troubles finding coins and you just want a community to talk to and pretty much find all these cool ideas and coins together, join down below. It's discounted right now, and you're gonna want to do it. Everybody's made their money back, by the way. Everybody has made their money back. You can ask anybody in the chat. It's an awesome investment. So yeah, I love you.